Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the phone and taking the first actionable steps. Power off the device now. Hold the device-specific keys to enter recovery mode, volume plus or plus power, because recovery is required to reset system-level locks. Once in recovery, use volume keys to highlight options and power to select. Make sure you have a PC with ADB ready if recovery options are limited. If prompted for Google account, keep those credentials handy so you can complete FRP verification after the reset. Now perform the core reset steps to remove the pattern lock. In recovery, select Wipe Data/Factory Reset and confirm. This erases user data, which is why you prepared backups and Google credentials. If hardware buttons don't work, use ADB from a connected PC. Run a DB reboot recovery, then execute the wipe. Once the wipe completes, choose Reboot System Now and wait. The lock will be gone, but you may hit Google Factory Reset Protection, so prepare to sign in with the previously used Google account. Finish by setting up the device and resolving any FRP prompts. After reboot, proceed through Android setup and sign into the Google account previously synced to the device. This verifies ownership and clears factory reset protection. If you cannot sign in, use Google Account Recovery or contact the device manufacturer with proof of purchase. Once verified, restore your backup, reinstall apps, and update the system. Tip: if the device still asks for a pattern, repeat wipe in recovery or use OEM support for a firmware reflash.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.